guys, it's Eddie, and got a wheel bearing here. Haven't heard one this loud with this much change when you turn in a long time, so I'm going to share this with you. Now when I turn the steering wheel side to side, you'll notice that the noise goes away and comes back. You don't even have to turn it that much, just slightly. It's crazy loud. This is like a 2022 Mitsubishi, and I don't know if someone hit something, but we'll check it out. So here's the question I know I'm gonna get asked. What side's making the noise? What side wheel bearing's making the noise? If you're turning right, you're putting the weight of the vehicle on the left wheel, either front or back. So it could be a front or back wheel bearing. If you're turning left, you're putting weight on the right side of the vehicle. So it could be either one of those wheel bearings. Generally, that's how it goes. Not 100% guaranteed, but worth mentioning here, just so you guys don't have to ask the question. Thank you. What's crazy about this noise is it's much louder when you're going like 20 miles an hour. Now, I know I put up a lot of wheel bearing noise videos, but there's a lot of different sounds, and I like to try to help you guys figure out if what you're hearing in your car is the same thing as what I'm hearing in these cars. So I may be redundant on the amount of wheel bearing videos I put out, but I hope that helps a lot of people. And by the comments, it does. Take care, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care. And don't forget, sway side to side. If the noise changes, most likely you get a wheel bearing noise.